It's been a while since I made a video according to the homestead and type stuff. See right here, I'm pulling up fence post, cattle panels out of my garden. We neglected it all winter. We got busy doing pottery and other things. Mustard greens, they still doing well. See these sticks laying here? We pulling up all the tomato cages, everything, getting ready. And you see the apple tree, I pruned it last week. Cut a lot of those old low-hanging limbs out where I could mow up under it. But we fixing to try to get this stuff cleaned up. Last year I put all these sticks, wooden heavy sticks. You see these are oak sticks. Let me pick one of them up where you get an idea according to my hand. See, these are pretty large sticks, but I acquired them free in a bundle, so they made good sticks for me. But we rained so much off and on last summer. Not that it rained consecutively a lot last year like it has this spring. But when it did rain, it come a huge rain. And the ground got wet. So the way that I had did these, I don't know if you can see this. This is laying down right here. But this post I put in the ground. That end in the ground. And then I braced it off with the wire running this way. And what it done is the heaviness of them sticks, it fell over that way, pulled it up out of the ground. And this was after my beans had about made. I had to prop it up. So this year I'm going to do something different. I don't know. I think I'm going to put some like dog wire or hog wire, something like that, down through there and pick it up off the ground about 2 foot, maybe a foot. Because my beans will be up, I'm going to say close to a foot before I even consider putting something there. So for them to need to catch runners, I think if I put it a foot and a half off the ground, that gives me a little more height, and I can get like a 4-foot roll, and it'll be plenty high enough because I don't want it up too high that I can't reach the top. I had to have a bucket like I did some of this last year. I had to stand on a bucket to pick some of these butter beans. But I was just going to make a real quick video. We pulling up sticks, cleaning up. It's a good time right now to do your garden, start getting it prepared. We finally got 2 days in a row of sunshine. This thing up here in the sky, we ain't seen a whole lot of in Mississippi or anywhere down south for that matter this spring. We've had over 5 inches in the last 4 days. Last month and a half, we're sitting at a little over 20-something inches. I don't really have an exact count on it, but I know according to my rain gauge, the batteries went out and I had to change it, my weather station. We've had a lot of rain. So today's the first day I've been able to get in this garden, really. The wind's been blowing and that dries out the surface a lot. But we're going to leave these mustards and stuff for right now because I may let them seed out, collect seed. I planted all my seed last year that I had saved. So I need to let this grow up, seed out, pull some seed off of it. But we're getting the tomato cages. Man, I love these tomato cages out of concrete wire. I made them and I've got about 16 of them. I'm finna stack these up. We're gonna stack all these sticks up out of the way somewhere. I may put them on top of one of the chicken pens or something up here. You hear my roosters crowing. If you've seen my other videos, you know I got a lot of different birds. We got rid of a lot here a couple of weeks ago. Well, I'm going strictly game fowl. I like them. They lay as good as any other bird. I'm keeping my Americanas, and my daughter's got her Silkies and Polish and the Americanas, but everything else is game. We do not fight them here. I know a lot of you, that's controversial, but you do what you like to do. I don't care. I don't personally fight them. One reason I'm too greedy, I don't want to lose my chickens. I like them because they're beautiful. Man, these roosters are beautiful, and I just like them. The hens lay really well. They're good mothers. I just like this type of chicken, so that's why I fool with them and raise them. We fixing to see if we can get a tractor in here, though, and disc. Something new I've added this year, I got my grandpa's old tractor. Got it restored, repainted. Got me a 1-row set of plows, cultivators. And I'm going to be able to do a lot more this year with it. I didn't have that last year. I had to till in between everything and hoe it, which is not too bad. I enjoy doing it. But it's a lot of work for somebody that don't have a lot of time. But we're going to get it played with. I'll do some videos with the tractor in there before long. Y'all have a good one.